Hello guys, good afternoon. This is Chris. Welcome to Chris Digitals. If you're new to my channel, I want to welcome you. If you're an existing subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed, or if you're not new but you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. It is free and you're just helping to promote my and support my channel. Please help with that. Today I'll be showing you guys this July's calendar. It is free to download. Go on my website. The link to my website is in the description. You can go down and download this free calendar for the month of July. It is simple to create and it's very easy to use on your OneNote. If you're using OneNote, all you have to do is just import it into your OneNote and you start planning with that. So it is very easy to use, and for those of you who like to have the undated one, you guys can also have that. As you all know, my planners, they come with editable files with PowerPoint. So you can go to PowerPoint within my file and you can edit the planners or the calendar. So for example, so this is Sunday to Saturday. Okay, some people like their week to start on a Monday, so some people like Monday to Sunday. So what you can do, because my planner will come with an editable file, what you can do, so if I go to the file, so when you open it, it's going to come like this. It's going to show this PDF and this PowerPoint presentation. It's going to show just these two. All right, these other PNGs are not important for that. Okay, so that's what this is going to show when you open it. And if you want to edit anything, you just have to double click on this one with the PowerPoint. And mind you, you must have a PowerPoint program for this to open, or if you have other programs that can open and edit any PowerPoint files, then you can use that. Okay, I don't know if Google Slide will do it. I think they can, or anything with Apple, probably Keynote might do it, but yes, you can use that to open the files and you can edit. So let me open one of them. So this is PowerPoint. Okay, kind of looks a little bit like OneNote, but this is PowerPoint. All right, OneNote is right here. You can see my sample of planners here, while PowerPoint is right here. Okay, there is nothing right here. Okay, so if I want to edit this section, if I don't like Sunday to be the start, I can just click on this and remove it to Monday and change it to Monday, and I can just go Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Okay, so I just changed my entire planner that I downloaded. I just changed it to my preference. Okay, so I can decide to change the color as well. So if I don't like this brown, I can highlight that and go to this fill shape fill, and I can just choose black. I just change that. I can come here, the same thing, click on that. I can just go here and I choose like a gray color. Come here, do the same thing. And I can change this also by maybe making it darker a little bit. Come here too. Can make it darker too. Okay. And I can change this July to go to this font color. I can change that to black if you want. And you can also change this the planner itself, the brown. You can go here, this shape fill. I can choose whatever you want there. See that? See, I just changed in minutes. I just changed this calendar, And if I want to change everything here too, I can do the same thing. I can just highlight this, the entire calendar, and I go to table design, and I come here where it says pen color. I click down. I can choose what color I want here. Let me just use this dark one, and I have to go where it says borders, and I just click on that. So it just changed that. See that? Just change that. And right here, this brown line that goes around the paper, I can just click on the paper, and I go to shape outline, click on that, and I can just choose dark or black. See, I just changed everything, and I can do this also with this one. Look at that. So everything has changed from this to this just in minutes. Okay, probably 1 minute or even less than that. I just changed all of this. You can go further and change the alignment of the days. You can just highlight this. Mine is centered, so right here is centered. I can go here and I can just click either one of this. See, I just changed that. This just went to the left. I can put it to the right. See that? And I can put it back in the middle. So whatever you want to do, you can use that. That's why my planners are so easy to use. You can use them as is, or you can just decide if you want to edit them. You can edit them. All right. So thank you for watching, and don't forget, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and hit the bell notification, and also like this video, share it, leave me a comment there if you have any questions, or if you have any suggestion of what you would like to see, let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to go to my website. The link is in the description to download this planner. Okay, and in August I'll be making one for August by the end of July. Okay, all right guys, thank you for watching. And after you've done this, let me just show you. After you've done this, if you want to save this, you go to File and go to Export, and now you can export this as instead of July. If you want to keep the old one, you can leave the old one, and here you can just do underscore, give it a different name. I just go underscore dark, because now mine has turned into a dark one. So I can click publish. So it has been saved or exported. So now let me just show you guys, for those who don't know how to do this. Now you can go to OneNote. Let's add that one. Let me show you guys how to do that. So here I'm just going to put another July and just probably call it dark thing. So click here, I go to the file, and I go to where it says July dark. I grab that and I drop it in the box. See, now you have the one you just changed. That's how easy it is. You just edited that, and now you can use this. Yeah, adjust this properly. Right click to set it as a background. So now you can use this, or you can use this, either one. Okay, so thank you for watching and have a blessed day. Bye bye.